How to watch TikTok without account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to watch TikTok but do not want an account, this video shows you exactly how. So you can watch TikTok videos without signing up. Just download the TikTok application, or you can also go ahead and download the TikTok Lite application on your mobile device. Make sure that you download the latest version, then launch it. You will be directly taken to the sign up portal, but just tap on this cross button in the top left corner to refuse to sign in, but tap on agree and continue. You can watch TikTok videos without signing up. Just download the TikTok app on your phone. Just make sure that you are connected to the internet and videos will start playing automatically. You can swipe to see more and you can watch videos like this, but you will need an account to comment, like, share, or upload videos. So if you go to profile section, it will ask you to sign in. You can sign in with your Google or other options, so you can watch videos without an account. But to do anything else, you will need to create one. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.